How to build your learning roadmap in 20 minutes. Learning something new, like React, web development, or AI, can feel overwhelming with endless resources online. That's why we created our roadmap tool, a simple way to turn chaos into clarity. The first step in building your roadmap is creating a clear title. To do this, simply drag a title node onto the canvas and label it as React. For React, the first milestone is JavaScript Basics. To create this, simply drag a topic node onto the canvas and label it as Basics of JavaScript. You can even change the node's color to match your style. You can connect it directly to the React node to build a clear learning flow. If you have subtopics for your milestone, you can easily break them down into smaller parts. For example, the JavaScript Basics milestone can be divided into subtopics like Variable Declaration. To do this, just drag subtopic nodes onto the canvas, label them with each concept, and connect them to the JavaScript Basics milestone. This makes your roadmap more detailed and structured, guiding you step by step through the fundamentals. After linking your subtopics to the JavaScript Basics milestone, you can also align them visually for a cleaner look. Our platform allows you to select all the nodes at once and rearrange them however you want. This way, your roadmap not only stays structured but also looks organized and easy to navigate. You can also mark the importance of each milestone using tick marks with different colors. For example, red for important, green for optional, and violet for recommended. This helps you quickly identify which milestones to prioritize while learning. You can add these ticks to your milestones at different positions, like the right top, right bottom, left top, or left bottom, depending on how you want your roadmap to look. Next, we can add notes and resources for every milestone inside the content and links section. First, you can generate a clear and structured description using our AI tool. You can attach resource links like videos, articles, or documentation to make the roadmap more practical and useful for your learning journey. We can also group multiple milestones into one, which helps keep the roadmap clean and organized. To do this, simply drag a section node onto the canvas, adjust the size of the box, and place your related subtopics or milestones inside it. You can also add a heading to the section node, making it clear what that group represents. This way, your roadmap stays tidy and easy to navigate. After creating all your milestones, simply click the Save Roadmap button to store your progress. Once saved, you can use the Live View option to see the full roadmap along with all the notes and resources you've added. This gives you a complete, organized view of your learning journey in one place. If you don't know about a skill or where to begin, no need to worry. Our platform has an AI tool that can automatically generate milestones and notes for your roadmap. Just enter your learning goal, for example, roadmap to learn React, and the AI will create a clear, structured plan for you. Once the milestones are generated, you can load them directly onto the canvas by clicking the Load Roadmap button, and your full roadmap will be ready to customize, saving time and giving you clarity on where to start and how to progress. You can also update the background color for AI-generated milestones to make your roadmap look clean and visually appealing. By giving different milestones distinct colors, you can easily differentiate between topics and keep the roadmap organized while adding a polished look. After loading the milestones, you can also align them visually to make your roadmap more structured. Simply select all the nodes and rearrange them however you want, whether in a straight line, grid, or custom layout. This keeps the roadmap easy to read and follow. You can also update the roadmap name and description anytime. Just click the Edit button at the top left corner, and you will be able to customize the title and description to match your learning goals or project. After making updates, simply click the Save Roadmap button to save your progress. Then, by clicking Live View, you can instantly see the updated roadmap along with all the milestones, notes, and resources in a clean, shareable format. If your roadmap has a large number of milestones and it feels difficult to find a specific one, no need to worry. Our platform has a search feature. You can quickly type the milestone name and it will highlight the exact milestone on the canvas, saving time and effort. And if you no longer need a milestone, you can easily delete it with a single click. This helps you keep your roadmap clean, focused, and free from unnecessary clutter.